Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. This week's Vendor Master File Tip of the Week is 2 tips to make the B-Notice process more efficient. Now, on my Putting the AP in Happy podcast, episode 139, and I thought I wouldn't have anything to talk about with the vendor maintenance process. I was wrong about that. But in that episode, I invited guest Shakari Tucker Dial to talk about what happens when you file an accurate vendor legal name and tax ID combinations with your company's annual 1099 filing. She explained what the CPS 2100, CPS 2100A IRS notices are and the difference between them and the B notice process that you must follow when your company is notified. Now, she did share 2 tips to make that B notice process more efficient. And the first tip is to use the B notice template verbiage from the IRS for your vendor notifications. So you can check those out in the IRS publication 1281. It has the template verbiage for the first B notice and for the second B notice. The second tip is to add important tax document enclosed to the envelope. That phrase, and I'll say it again, important tax document enclosed to the envelope, increasing the potential that your vendor will open it. All the years I oversaw this B notice process, I don't remember if we ever did that. So if you would like to hear the conversation and find out more details on the IRS notification process and your next step when your company is notified, I will put a link to episode 39 in the description. If you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. Good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File Tip of the Week.